This video is a paid ad for Moose Toys. Wait, do you hear that? There is something over there in the bushes. Let's take a closer look. Scruff-a-Luvs! I gotta check this out. Here is the Scruff-a-Luvs Real Rescue Electronic Pet. There are over 35 sounds and reactions. Feel and hear its heartbeat. The Scruff-a-Luvs Real Rescue shivers, reacts to water, and needs to be fed. Who will you rescue? With all of these features, this is the most lifelike Scruff-a-Luv yet. We have to take care of it just like a real rescue pet. On the side of the box, it says your Scruff-a-Luv comes to life. Then on the back, it shows all of the things your Scruff-a-Luv will need. Rescue, I'm shivering. Wash, I react to water. Reveal, cat or dog. Care, groom and feed me, I might burp. Feel the love, hear my heartbeat, stroke my head, and I'll make happy sounds. Play together, discover hidden interactions. On the side, there's a note. Dear friend, your Scruff-a-Luv is lost and alone, shaking with fear and needs you to rescue and take care of them. Your Scruff-a-Luv loves to be bathed and will calm down when you start bathing them and sigh with relief. Have you rescued a dog or a cat? Wash, dry, groom, and care for your animal to discover what makes them happy, just like a real pet. The more you play and care for your Scruff-a-Luv, the more you will learn about what they need from you, and they will become your FFF, furry friend forever. In the bottom corner, there is a list of contents. Inside, we will find one Scruff-a-Luv, a dog or a cat, a collar with an ID tag, one bottle, a comb, adoption certificate, and an instruction manual. Open here to begin your rescue. All right, let's see who's inside. I am opening the top, and inside, there's our Scruff-a-Luv. Use the handle to remove it from the box. Whoa! It's actually shivering. You can feel it. It's shaking. And it's making little noises. The box says, I'm shivering, give me a bath. Make sure the water is warm. Please read the enclosed instruction manual for a complete guide to your Scruff-a-Luv. Instructions? Check. On a protected surface, I place a tub of warm water. Not hot, not cold, just right. Take the shivering Scruff-a-Luv and place them into the water. Oh, it likes it! Okay, so I guess it's bath time. Let's get you all washed up. There you go, we're gonna get you all cleaned up. You're making all kinds of little sounds. Is it barking? I think you're barking. Listen closely. That's a heartbeat. Gotta make sure to wash behind those ears. Oh, you're so happy to get in your bath. Oh, and it just sighed. After about a 10-minute bath, it's time to get out. Use a towel to dry off the Scruff-a-Luv. We want that fur to be nice and fluffy. I could use a hairdryer to speed things along, but I'm enjoying this quality time. Hey, are you sleeping? Wake up, sleepyhead! It's time for the big reveal. My Scruff-a-Luv Real Rescue is definitely a dog! Listen to all those puppy sounds. I can use the included comb to do a little extra grooming. Darling, you're going to look simply fabulous, absolutely gorgeous. Let's just brush that up there, tuck that down over there. Oh yes, fluff out those ears. You're going to look amazing. There, what do you think? So stylish. I'm gonna name you Pup. Pup, the Scruff-a-Luv dog. What do you think about that? He likes it. Here is the included collar and tag where I can write his name, put the tag on the collar, and the collar on the Scruff-a-Luv. On the adoption certificate, it says, This is to certify that I promise to give my Scruff-a-Lov a lifetime of love, care, and fun. I promise to be best friends forever. Yeah! I can feel and hear your heartbeat again. That means that you are happy. I bet you're hungry. A bottle is included. Use the bottle to feed Pup. Oh, I hear you eating. Did you just burp? Oh no, you have the hiccups. Don't worry, Pup. I know just what to do. Just pat the back and... Are y'all better? Oh, no. Okay, we'll keep going. Patting the back to get rid of those hiccups. Did it work? You're still crying. Okay, maybe you want some more food. Is that better? Oh, you just burped. You must be done. And we can show our pet some love by petting it on the head. The more we play with our Scruff-a-Luv, the more we learn about what they need. Scruff-a-Luvs Real Rescue have a suggested retail price of $39.99 for ages 4 and up and will be available this October. And for every Scruff-a-Luv Real Rescue adopted, Scruff-a-Luvs will donate a part of the proceeds to the ASPCA to help real animals find their forever homes. Notice I said forever. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at Scruff-a-Luvs Real Rescue. Until next time, bye!